Major difference. It really kicked in. Welcome back to Be Empowered. On today's video, we are going to be reviewing this Diablo Predator Sport tuner. We're going to throw a performance tune on this 2008 Silverado and do some testing and see how it works. If you enjoy the content of today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and so you don't miss any future episodes, hit that notification bell as well. Hit that like button and also give us some comments and tell us what you think about the video and what you'd like to see in future videos. With that said, let's get into the video. So let's open this thing up, see what we got. A USB cable, so that way we can update it. Instruction booklet. Ooh, stickers. Love stickers. This is our tuner. If you have tires that are like 35 inches, 33s, if you change your tire size, you can also update your tire size on this, which will modify your speedometer to allow it to read right. It has 87 performance tune, 93 performance tune, and if you don't know what those are, there's octanes of gas. Then you also have a towing tune, which will increase your torque at more and less horsepower. Let's hook this thing up. Let's go for it. Right now, I have a 3/4 of a tank of 87 octane, so I'm going to do the performance tune there, see how that works. And then when I'm done, I will go ahead and do a 93 and kind of do a progression. I've already recorded some video of a quick takeoff at 87 normal. And so then we'll compare that to 87 performance and 93 performance. Let's get at it. If you look here, right there, I have the ODB port plugged in to the tuner. So now I'm going to start the process. As you can see on the screen, it asks you to click OK to start selecting your levels and options. Turn engine on, ignition on, do not start, press OK. All right, it's establishing communication with vehicle. Okay, reset it, making sure that it can establish communications again. Reading the transmission. Resetting again, verifying the base tune, whatever is currently on it, it's now saved. We got an 87 performance tune and an 87 economy. Now we also have Diablo tune, which is like a 93 tune, and a Diablo, that's for a tow, and that's for just a performance tune. We're going to do an 87 performance tune. That's all the gas we have is 87. Confirm, click OK. Actually, before we do that, let's scan tool and diagnostics. Battery voltage 12, so we're good to go. We don't have to hook up a battery charger. Click OK to tune. All right, let's go with the 87 performance tune. Click OK. Do you want to customize options? No. It's asking if we want to install the 87 performance tune. Yes. It does pretty quick, so it's not a long install. I did not update this on the computer. I think I will before we do the 93 tune. There shouldn't be a lot of updates. It's fairly recent, but I'm gonna go do it anyway. Okay, it's done installing the tune. Turn ignition off. Press OK. 87 tune is now installed. Let's test it out. Kids, don't try this at home. Don't be an idiot like me. Here we go. Wow. Major difference. It really kicked in. I can definitely feel it. Dang. Right when we hit about 25 miles an hour, it really kicked in. Now I'm going to show the difference between normal and power. Wow. We're going to get on it. We're already up to speed. We're at 40 miles an hour. Speed limit's 55, just FYI. Okay, we got the 93 octane in the tank and 93 tune on the Silverado. Let's test this thing out. Here we go.
Holy moly. Wow. Oh, yes. You might actually outrun my BMW now.
That definitely didn't squeal the tires the last time I did it, so that's pretty good. Okay, just like before, we're going to start at 40 miles an hour and increase speed. We'll get a rolling start and see how it works. Here we go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. Definitely can feel the increase in power.
I can definitely tell the difference after being in this truck for years and years.
That was awesome. Blew me out of the water as far as expectations go. 87 performance tune to 93 performance tune, much different. I gotta say, I liked it. I definitely suggest trying it out. It's not that much money for the amount of power that you get. If you couple that with the intake that we already have, if you missed that video, go ahead and check up in the corner and we'll link it. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As for the product, the Diablo Predator Sport, great product. So far, I can definitely feel the power. That coupled with the intake, lights out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss anything in the future. So with that said, God bless you and God bless America. And we'll see you next time.